Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Marianne Rice, 41 years old, married, have one kid. I am college graduate. My experience as domestic helper in Kuwait 2015 to 2017, I do work household cleaning, I do ironing, washing clothes, assist my grandma employer every time she cook. I go with her anywhere she go. Sometimes I do groceries and car washing. From 2018 to 2023, I worked in Qatar 4 years and 10 months and taking care of 5 kids as a nanny with one employer only. All employers in Hong Kong, guests, hired me as your domestic helper. I am very submissive person and I assure you that I am a good, responsible domestic helper. Thank you very much. God bless.